When you're working with young children, you have to definitely put yourself on their level and look at things from their point of view.
The Early Childhood Program is a 2-year degree that prepares our students to teach in public schools. In a West Virginia pre-K classroom, they can teach in a child care center. They have a variety of opportunities once they graduate. Within our program, it is actually required that our students sit on the floor, interact with the kids at their level. That's the best way to get that child's attention and to see what their interests are and for them to interact with you. It makes the preschoolers feel important because somebody bigger than them is sitting there and listening to them and having a conversation. It just makes them feel more important.
I've always been around kids and worked with kids my whole life, and it's just a passion of mine. And I've worked at a daycare for 3 years. With the classes, they are really small, and I actually like that because you get more one-on-one time with your teachers, and they are always available to you whenever you need help with something. When I graduate, I think I want to go into working with foster kids and seeing what's best for them and helping them out.
When our students leave and they have to leave the preschoolers behind, they're very sad about it because you do become attached to those kids, and when you see them as much as you do, they kind of become like your own children. So it's very difficult for our students to leave at the end of the semester. You get to become attached to those kids and they see you come in and they're excited to see you, and that just makes you feel really good when they're happy to see you come through the door.